Just wanted to stop here and show you the completed product of the house that we have been doing here. And we have installed, I'll put the lights back up, and as you can see, this is the front of the house, and it's all completed. We have installed the lights that we took down on these lights. We restored them completely by taking them out and actually redoing them completely. And so anyway, this is the house, and as you can tell, this is just been completed. This is the side of the house. It's a 4-car garage, and obviously the back, which has the swimming pool and everything else, which I showed earlier. This is a wide view of the front of the house. And so if you have any need on the custom work, either the lights are out, whatever you need, just call Florida General Coatings and we'll come out and restore your house to where you can either market it or retain it for the future. Again, that's the information right there. Right, till next time.